Install the device and battery pull together, and then install it on the tripod. Connect to the device using the battery pull cable. Plug into the interface, and the connection will be successful. Long press the power button to turn on the device. Connect to the host using Tsurvey 2.0. You can see the receiver battery status in the upper right corner of the app interface. When this icon appears, shows that the device and battery pull were connected successfully.